Hey y'all, hope all is well. Yep, you guessed it, cooking in a van. Tonight, we've got one of those bacon cheddar burgers in there and 2 jalapeno cheddar sausages in the pan. Yes, I've already added a packet of soy sauce, and when I flip the burgers, I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on there. Sweet Baby Ray's bourbon and no hickory and brown sugar. Yeah, it's upside down over there getting ready to pour on it. But anyway, that's what I'm doing for dinner tonight. I forgot to already have cut this onion up, so I'm gonna work on that. But my cutting board is under the stove, keeping it level so the grease don't just puddle all to one side. Anyway, you know, adjustments we make as van lifers. Right there it is in front of me. Ew. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the onion up a little bit. I'm surprised I don't have it in the pan already. There's some right there, and here's some more right here. I ain't gonna dice them like I did last night. I'm just gonna throw them in the pan right there and see if they cook up good. Yep. Anyway, that's what I'm up to tonight. Yes, I'm cooking in the van. There's a burger, some jalapeno cheddar sausages. There ain't no big 3-course meal, but damn, I like this stuff too. Anyway, I'll be back shortly with some pictures that'll tease the taste buds of your imagination. So yeah, that looks healthy. Still, I'm gonna have a damn good burger and some jalapeno cheddar sausages. Oh yes, it is time. I didn't open this first. Oh shit. 4 more minutes and those are done, dude. For real. See the onions in that pan? Oh yeah, I did too. Hell, I put them there. You know, anyway. Yeah, so that's what's dinner tonight in the van. Back in just a second. And just because I dropped something behind the refrigerator, I had to go after it. I found this Melinda's jalapeno ketchup. Not sponsored. I seen a basket that said $1 a jar, and there was several flavors, and I saw that, and I thought, yeah. Anyway, I found it. Apparently, it fell behind the fridge sometime between last week and the prior July. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna put a little on that burger. Yeah. Not on them jalapeno cheddar sausages, because ketchup don't go with something like sausage. But a burger, I can see putting ketchup on. So, there, we put a little bit on that. Oh, good Lord. I just let all them flavors out. You look. Oh, num num. Yeah, most certainly. I mean, just, yeah, give me a second. And look at there. That beautiful plate right there. Oh, yeah. That's what I mean. Oh, God, yeah. I recently learned that the flavor of soy sauce and Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce in the same pan cooking a burger or sausages is just immaculately amazing. Yes, I'm using big words because it's that big to me. Anyway, the combination of flavors is perfect, especially when you throw onions in the pan. Oh my! Anyway, anything's better with onions, as everybody knows. But that's my dinner tonight. That's what I cooked in my van. I'm gonna dig in. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.